What if AI takes your job next year? And your bank account is still one emergency away from zero? Most people would panic, sell everything, or chase get-rich-quick schemes. But there's a simple first step that can protect you and actually turn fear into control. That step is budgeting the right way. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners can build a bulletproof budget that works even if your paycheck disappears. But first, why do most budgeting plans fail the moment life, or AI, hits? Hey, I'm Larry, a semi-retired electrician who still shows up most days because I actually enjoy the work. And thanks to some smart moves along the way, my money now climbs the ladder for me instead of the other way around. We're in uncertain times. AI is coming fast, and job disruption is real. That's why it's more important than ever to get your finances working for you, starting with proper budgeting. Money works for me now, and it can work for anyone. You just need the right habits. If you've ever wondered how to take control of your money, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if it helps. And stick around until the end. I have a free gift for you, no strings attached. It's a simple beginner tool that turns everything we'll talk about into action right away. Your perfect first step without starting from scratch. So, why do most people who try to budget end up quitting within weeks? Because I see it all the time. They start with rules instead of reality. They download an app, track every coffee, feel guilty, then give up when life hits. Budgeting isn't about perfection. It's about knowing where your money is going, so AI can't blindside you. Think about your last paycheck. Do you know exactly where 80% of it went? Most don't. This is step number 1 of your ladder. Awareness beats guessing. So how do you actually see where your money is leaking? I use the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point. 50% needs, rent, food, bills. 30% wants, fun, eating out. 20% savings and debt. Don't obsess over every dollar, just review once a week. There are simple tools to make this easier. Check the description for my recommendations. Picture this. It's 3 a.m. and you wake up suddenly, heart pounding, remembering your boss mentioned AI efficiency at work yesterday. And you realize your savings are zero. That fear is real. But tracking turns panic into power. Knowing you have a buffer changes everything. Step number 2. Tracking gives you visibility, not restriction. But what if your income is irregular or low? Can beginners still make this work? Yes, you can. I recommend zero-based budgeting. Every dollar gets a job before the month begins. Pay rent first, then food, then minimum debt, then small savings. Even $50 a month to savings builds momentum. When income feels unstable, fear makes you spend to feel better today. But small, consistent wins flip that. You start sleeping better, knowing tomorrow isn't a disaster. And this is the step most people miss. Step number 3. Assign every dollar, no matter how small. What about emergencies? How do you prepare when AI could cut your pay tomorrow? I started with $1,000 as my first goal. It's small enough to reach fast, big enough to cover most surprises. Things like car repairs or light medical bills. Put it in a high-yield savings account. Once you hit $1,000, aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Step number 4. That $1,000 buffer stops small problems from turning into big ones. But how do you stick to the budget when life or ads tempt you? I automate everything, so those impulse buys never even have a chance to happen. I set up auto transfers to savings the day I get paid. I review weekly, not daily. I reward small wins, coffee after hitting a goal. And remember, this is about freedom, not deprivation. Step number 5. Automation plus weekly check-ins make habits stick. What does a real beginner budget look like in 2026? Let's say I make $3,000 a month after taxes. Using the 50-30-20 rule, that breaks down like this. 50% needs, $1,500. Rent, food, utilities, doable, depending where you live and keeping it simple. 30% wants, $900. Dining, entertainment. 20% future, $600. Savings, debt, investments. Adjust as needed. The point is intention. When I see the numbers, fear shrinks. I realize I'm not helpless. I'm building real control. That mindset shift alone is worth more than any side hustle. Step number 6. Intention turns chaos into progress. So what's the one mindset that makes all this work? Treat money like a teammate, not the enemy. Budgeting isn't punishment, it's protection against AI or any storm. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your progress grow. And that brings us to the full Larry's Ladder lesson. Your complete climb, step by step. Step 1. Awareness. Step 2. Tracking. Step 3. Zero-based. Step 4. Emergency fund. Step 5. Automation. Step 6. Intention. The biggest takeaway? Budgeting isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared. And in an AI world, that's your biggest advantage. Now take the next step. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's ahead. Comment your biggest takeaway below. Where are you starting? Oh, and remember that free gift I promised? It's right there in the description, your beginner budget template. No strings attached. Grab it and put it to work today. And remember, if this electrician can do it, so can you.